Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by measuring. Combine 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoons salt in a medium bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk 1 cup milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons melted butter until smooth. Use room temperature milk and egg for better emulsion and lighter pancakes. If you prefer richer flavor, substitute 3/4 cup milk and 1/4 cup buttermilk, or add 1 teaspoon vanilla for sweetness. Set aside the dry and wet mixes separately before combining. To avoid tough pancakes, whisk wet into dry with gentle strokes until just combined. Small lumps are okay and will smooth during resting. Let the batter rest for 10 minutes so the flour hydrates and the baking powder begins to work, producing airier pancakes. Meanwhile, heat a non-stick pan or griddle to medium, roughly 350 degrees F, or test by flicking a water droplet. It should sizzle and evaporate quickly. Lightly oil the surface with 1 teaspoon neutral oil, or 1/2 tablespoon butter, and wipe excess with a paper towel. For uniform pancakes, spoon 1/4 cup batter per pancake onto the preheated surface to yield about 4-inch rounds. Leave 1 inch between pancakes. Cook until surface shows bubbles and the edges look set, then flip once when bubbles pop and sides appear dry. After flipping, cook another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown and an internal check shows no raw batter. Serve immediately with butter and 2 tablespoons maple syrup, or cool on a rack and freeze in single layers for up to 2 months. Reheat 30 seconds in microwave per pancake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.